All right, welcome to this explainer. Today, we're unpacking a really fascinating source that lays out exactly how to take a standard AI tool, specifically Claude, and totally transform it into a personalized, automated collaborator for your content creation. Look, if you've ever felt like you're talking to a brick wall with AI, constantly repeating yourself, fixing its formatting, this approach is going to completely change your workflow. Okay, here's our roadmap for today. We're going to hit 5 key areas. First, the AI context problem. Second, creating your AI workspace. Third, training with channel data. Fourth, automating tasks with skills. And finally, essential creator skills. Section 1, the AI context problem. Before we get into the solutions, we really need to understand the fundamental friction point that's just slowing creators down every single day. So why the sudden rush to new AI solutions like Claude? Well, the source material notes this massive growing trend of users exploring the platform, with a lot of folks even ditching their old AI subscriptions entirely. But get this, a poll showed that over 60% of this creator's own audience hadn't even tried it yet. They're missing out on a huge workflow upgrade, mostly because they just don't realize how much better the interface has gotten. The old way of using AI? It feels exactly like dealing with AI amnesia. You're constantly retyping your niche, your tone, your preferred visual style and formatting instructions every single time you open a new chat. It's exhausting. The new way uses a dedicated workspace that automatically remembers all of that context. It saves your time, your tokens, and honestly, your sanity. Section 2, creating your AI workspace. Let's look at how we actually build this out into a real, actionable solution. Setting up this personalized workspace really just involves 3 precise, super easy steps. Honestly, think of it as visually onboarding a brand new employee. Step 1, set the project name. Step 2, input your core instructions. This is where you drop in your brand voice and a highly detailed audience profile. Step 3, upload past script files for reference. By doing this, you're effectively hardwiring the AI to deeply understand your unique channel's DNA and its overall aesthetic. The absolutely crucial point here is defining the workspace's overarching purpose right from the jump. Just look at the exact setup prompt used in the source. To help me create better YouTube videos and grow my channel. It's super simple, right? But it gives the AI a clear, unwavering North Star for literally every single task it's ever going to do for you. Section 3, training with channel data. Because look, an effective team member needs historical data to make smart decisions. Intuition is great, but data is king. Okay, this next step is practically magic. The source shows how to download a specific table data CSV file straight from your YouTube Studio Lifetime Analytics. And by uploading this raw, ugly, totally unformatted spreadsheet directly into your workspace, you're giving the AI hard, factual data to reference for any future task. And boom, the AI works instantly to process that raw, clunky CSV data into a clean, comprehensive channel report card. So instead of making you cross-eyed staring at endless rows of numbers, it delivers an immediate breakdown through a highly visual style like this donut chart here, laying out views, click-through rates, and subscriber conversions right at a glance. And this isn't just some generic summary either. The AI breaks down really actionable insights from that data. It flags videos to recover, meaning videos getting lots of impressions but a low click-through rate, which usually just need a quick visual tweak to the thumbnail or title to pop off. It also highlights your top subscriber converters, ideal video links, evergreen topics, and your absolute best title formats. Section 4, automating tasks with skills. Now, having a highly informed workspace is awesome, for sure, but executing tasks quickly, that is where the true automation actually happens. The source calls this feature out as a massive shift in how we actually talk to AI. A skill is basically a feature that teaches the AI how to do a specific, repeatable task without you needing to give it new instructions every time. You literally just type a / and you activate highly specific, pre-trained commands. It completely streamlines the whole interface. Using the built-in skill creator, you can just type a descriptive prompt to build these custom tools. Like, for example, asking it to build a title writer skill that spits out 5 to 6 clickable options, rates them out of 10, and explains exactly why they work. You're essentially coding custom software using nothing but plain English. But here is where we really elevate the output and lean into that visual style. An initial basic HTML window output, yeah, it's functional, but it's clunky. By just chatting iteratively with the AI, you can refine that output into a highly aesthetic, in-chat table with clean borders and colors. Having that information organized cleanly makes a massive difference to how fast you can work.
Section 5. Essential Creator Skills. Now that we've got a handle on the mechanics, let's actually take a look at the custom tools the source developed.
Welcome to the automation arsenal. The source built 3 heavy hitters here: the intro hook writer, the shorts hook generator, and the thumbnail ideator. These 3 really show off the immense versatility of the platform. And the coolest part? The AI can automatically detect which skill to use based purely on what you type in the chat. It shifts seamlessly between tools without you clicking a single button. Let's look at that intro hook writer. It analyzes those past scripts you fed it during onboarding to output brand new hooks that perfectly match your specific brand voice and language style. Because these tools live inside your custom workspace, the AI flawlessly mimics your unique tone. Instead of sounding like some generic robotic text generator, it actually sounds like you. 10. That is the exact number of distinct psychological formats that the shorts hook generator pumps out simultaneously. Just by typing in a topic, you get a structured table of hooks, ranging from fear-based to contrarian, all the way to authority-driven. It literally takes all the guesswork out of short-form retention. And the thumbnail ideator takes things to a whole other level. Just look at this flow. You input thumbnail psychology, teach it design principles, define your specific brand color palette, and generate targeted visual concepts. You are essentially teaching the AI your exact aesthetic visual style so it can brainstorm highly strategic artwork that you can then go out and actually design. Which brings us to our final thought for today. The source leaves us with this really provocative tease. Are you ready to fully automate your workflow with advanced capabilities like code and co-work? We've honestly just scratched the surface of what a deeply trained AI workspace can do. It really makes you wonder, just how much further could a virtual team member like this scale your creative output? Thanks for hanging out with me on this explainer, and I highly recommend you start building your own custom AI workspace today. See you next time.